Hi guys! Happy Sunday! Here with me today is Jayan. Share siya sa yung takeaway this morning. Hi Jayan!
Hi Ate Angel.
So, kumusta ka?
Okay lang. So far, so good.
So, what's your takeaway this morning?
Main takeaway na ko kay kanang I learned that kanang forgiving someone or forgiving the person that kanang that's hurting you kay kanang it's not about justifying their actions towards you, like kanang i-gaslight nimong sa imong self ba nga to the point na ma-manipulate ka, but kanang at the same time you forgive the person because you need to, because it is the desire of the Lord for you to forgive and for you to have that peace in your heart and mind. And of course kanang di ba niya nako ganina nga kanang it doesn't mean na kanang align gyapon siya sa imong hook when you forgive, but it means you forgive but you can love and you can start loving them from afar.
Wow, pa Miss Universe. Thank you, Jayan. Thank you for joining us today. See you next Sunday.